Hi, it's Lynette here, and I always feel like I need to explain, but I'm extra shiny looking today because I've put the ring light on. The weather outside is horrendous, so I put a light on and the ring light, so hopefully this video is bright enough. It's been foggy all day. On the east coast we call it the har. The har comes in from the sea, and sometimes what can happen is it can be really foggy here, and by the time I would get to work the sun could be kind of splitting the boulders, so that's always when I know it's a sea har rather than being a fog. But I don't know, I've not left the house today, so I'll ask Steve when he comes home what the weather was like in Edinburgh. So today I've just come on quickly. I had no plans to get dressed today, no plans to put any makeup on. I didn't have any video calls in the diary, so I thought, oh, just stay in your pyjamas, just kind of work away. And then I got a chap on the door about 9:30, and I got a couple of deliveries, and this brown box was one of them, and it's from QVC. So I just thought I'd pop on and show you. It was kind of, I think it was just over £51, just under £52, but it's an 8-piece item. And it's the Pro Collagen Skincare Spectacular Gift Collection. Now it was available in, there was a few different scents or fragrances that it was available in, and the one I picked up on, the one that I picked was Neroli. Now I'd never tried this before, so the options were just the plain classic one, the rose one, which I love, and I was so tempted, but I haven't tried the Neroli, so I thought I'll buy this, or the warm vanilla and tonka, or warm tonka and vanilla, which is absolutely gorgeous, and I'm still using the fragrance from last year. It just reminds me kind of autumny, Christmassy time. It's gorgeous. So anyway, I had to have it. It's worth £184. Now I've gone on to QVC, and unfortunately they have put the price up. It's now on at £100, but you're still saving £84. But I would just say, you know, if you want this, then just wait until the next time it comes on. They do come up regularly. So it's all kind of packaged up like this. So the nice bubble wrap, which has got diamonds, which is quite unusual shape. Actually looks like lips. Anyway, so it comes with this box so that you can package it up to give it as a gift. And it comes with this gorgeous little red bow. Now it's a kind of orangey coloured box for the Neroli. I think the rose is pink, the original is blue, and I think the vanilla and warm tonka is a kind of goldy bronzy colour. So I'm just going to take the items out as I come across them. So every set will have the same items that are standard across all the different fragrances. So you will get the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream, and that's their anti-wrinkle day cream, which I absolutely love. So that's 30 mils, so you get that, and that'll be the same in every box. I love the smell of this stuff, and it lasts for ages. You will also get the Elemis Pro Collagen Eye Revive Mask. So it's an anti-wrinkle multi-use eye mask, so you get 4 mils of that. So I've never tried that before, so I'm looking forward to trying that. And you will also get the Elemis Papaya Enzyme Peel, and there's 30 mils of that. Now I have quite a big one of those in the bathroom, so I won't be opening that just yet. Now this is where you get your different kind of scents and different fragrances and what have you. So these are individual to each one, depending on the one that you've picked. So the first thing here I've got is the cleansing balm. I absolutely love the cleansing balm. I've got the rose, the original, and now I've got the Neroli cleansing balm. So that's quite a large one there. I think this is on its own, it's worth about £45. And that's 50 grams. So yeah, it's a lot there, and it does last a long time. So I'm just going to open it. It's got an unusual smell. It's very fresh. It's lovely. I think it's really nice for this time of year. It's kind of spicy. I don't know why my voice went so high there. It's spicy. So you also get the Neroli Blossom Hand and Nail Balm. So this is small, but it's really good. A little goes a long way with this. And I'm just going to take it off. Take the little silver seal off and put some on my hands. So it's really concentrated, it's quite thick. So it is smaller than a regular hand cream, but a little does go a long way. So I'm just going to rub that in. Yeah, it's got a lovely scent. It's the kind of smell as well that I think Steve would like. I think the man in your life wouldn't be... Steve doesn't like overly sweet things, so you wouldn't necessarily want to use a rose hand cream, but he would like this. I think it's very unisex is what I want to say. I know men can have whatever they want, but if you were picking something up and it was in a men's fragrance, this is what it reminds me of. So there's the Neroli Blossom Body Cream, and you get 100 mils of that. So that's nice. Oh, the body cream's lovely as well. And then, you get the Elemis Rehydrating, and it's the Ginseng Toner, which I haven't actually tried. I've tried the apricot one, and I've got the lavender one that I'm currently using, but I've not tried the ginseng one. I don't think I have. So that's quite new. And again, that's quite spicy, isn't it? Yeah, that's lovely. And of course, with your toner, you can use it as part of your skincare range as well, but you can just use it for if your skin's feeling a bit dry, just to spritz on your face. It's lovely, and it lasts for ages as well. And last but not least is the Neroli Blossom Bath and Shower Milk. It's uplifting bath and shower milk, and for body cleansing, cleanse, nourishes, uplifts, and body soothing. So it's got Neroli, vine leaf, and medjool date. That's it there. Defined by nature, led by science. It says on the back. I might actually, sometimes I usually use them as shower milks or a shower gel or what have you, but I might actually just keep this one and put it and run it in a bath. I think that'd be really nice, and a cold night to come home and run that in your bath. So yeah, for $51.94 I think, you were getting all these products, and you know, you're saving over £100, which I think is amazing. So you got the, I'll just refresh what I got. So I got the bath and shower milk, the ginseng toner, the body lotion, the hand and nail balm. The balm's thicker than a hand cream. The Elemis cleansing balm in Neroli. Oh, it lasts forever as well. It was really good. And the winner. I would actually buy this whole kit just for this. The Pro Collagen Marine Cream. I absolutely love the smell of it. The eye mask, which I've never tried before. I've tried eye masks, but not in a tube. It's just the ones that you normally pop on under your eyes. And the Papaya Enzyme Peel, which is really lovely. So that was 30 mils. So anyway, guys, as I say, at the moment it's on the site for £100. So it's gone up, but you're still saving £84 if you want it. But it's the kind of thing I would probably just wait until it came back on offer. But I mean, it's worth it for £100. But yeah, I'd rather get it at £52. So anyway, guys, thank you for watching. I just thought I'd pop on and show you this, and have a lovely day. Speak to you soon. Bye.